Shenzhen Xinqinfeng Industrial Equipment Company Limited was established in 2011 and is specialized in industrial equipment for manual and automatic spraying paint machine, UV furnace, IR drying machine, robot, and full spray painting line. Xinqinfeng also design and offer the customized solution for customer. R&D team with 20 years experience developed into a professional manufacturer which has good technology and services, packaging, custom clearance, shipping, installation, support to design and make the non-standard equipment. Our products are well sold in various countries and regions and are welcome at Americans, Europe, Africa, Mid-East, Asia market, such US, Canada, Mexico, Italy, Spain, Poland, Tunisia, Nigeria, India, Malaysia, Australia, Pakistan, Vietnam, Burma, Russia, Kenya. Welcome to visit our Alibaba website to learn about our transaction history, to learn more about us. As a result, to fully satisfy customer needs, we have globalized and expanded our business activities, and there was built the new factory which located in Dongguan City, Dongguan Xinqinfeng Industrial Equipment Company Limited, with larger workshop, better R&D design environment, and more efficient products capacity. We always adhere to our principle with quality first, client supreme, to offer more better service. New facility with over 2,000 square meters has the bending machine, plate shearing machine, wire drawing machine, sander, welding machine, compressor, forklift equipment, and a professional engineer team to design and evolve our products. Sincerely welcome you to visit our company or contact us for cooperation. Thanks.